Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Gabrieles Miss. I am Rose, me also known as vivikarrina. I am a little bad of my throat, but I will be doing the unboxing because I needed to do it. So last month I ordered from Cottage Soapery, and the soaps arrived today. So to order from her, you need to go to her Facebook page and do a pre-order, because she do pre-orders. She don't sell in any store. She do pre-orders on Facebook, and when she run out of orders, you miss the chance to get what you want to. So okay, well, look how pretty. How pretty. Okay, nice bag. Nice presentation. Oh, look how nice. So I ordered 3 soaps from her. I don't know which of those are, but I got samples. Lavender rose sample. And I have a gift. I got a gift. Thank you so much. This bag smells awesome. Woohoo! Yay! You see, Wayne? You did that. You did that. Woohoo! So let me smell the lavender rose sample. Oh, smell awesome. Love it, love it, love it. Oh my god, it smells great. And it's so creamy. The bar you can see is so creamy. It's lovely. Wow, thank you so much. Okay, this is the gift. This will be for last. Let's see. Yeah. Thank you. This one is, I like how she packaged this. I want to rip it. You know me. I don't want it to break it. No. Okay. Oh my goodness. This is beautiful. Look. Wow. Oh my god. This smells awesome. Rice flour, chia, and coconut. Cottage Soapery. This is beautiful. Here are the ingredients. This is beautiful. And the smell is wonderful. Oh my god, how pretty. This is beautiful. I love it. Oh my god. Great job. I can see now why she runs out of soaps. Everyone buy them because they are awesome. Wow. Oh, how pretty. Look at the labels. This one is a dolly. This one is square one. Grapefruit Bellini, and does smell like grapefruit a lot. Look how pretty those swords are. You can I will link her channel down below in the information box, and you can go and visit her, and you will see how she makes these soaps. They are pretty, they are beautiful. I love it. They are really nice size bar. Love it, love it, love it. I'm glad I made this purchase. Oh my god, I know this one. I know this one. She, as you can see, grapefruit is orange, rice flour shea is pink. So she have a theme for every soap. So this one, as you can imagine, is coffee. Yes. Oh my god, coffee, 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 coffee. Cinnamon vanilla haba. Oh my god. Oh my god. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Look. It's very pretty. I love it. We'll take a picture. And now for the present. For the gift. Wow, thank you so much. Ooh. White tea and ginger. I love this scent. Look how pretty. Oh yes, I love this scent. Smell awesome. Oh my god, so fresh. Look how beautiful. Can you see it? Can you see it? Look, look, look. It's beautiful. So beautiful. Thank you so much. I will link her channel down below, like I said before. And please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. I will be posting pictures of these amazing soaps on my Instagram. And also at the end of the video, I hope I can post them, because always I forget to put pictures. Always. So again, please comment, rate, and subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you all. Bye bye. Blessings. Love you all.